So that which was being rumored has been confirmed. Jamaica will host 2 games in the 2019 CONCACAF Gold Cup. But you know, I remember clearly a couple months ago, all the talk was that the National Stadium needs major upgrading in order to host big international events such as Gold Cup games. We even got figures for the amount of money that was needed to get the facility up to scratch. And yet, with no money spent, no work done on the stadium, we get this big confirmation and announcement. How exactly did Jamaica get these games? Mr. Ricketts, you know some people and pull some strings. And speaking of Mr. Ricketts and his General Secretary and his first Vice President, these Gold Cup games in Jamaica mash up the business. You know what I mean? All of that first-class travel and the 5-star hotels and the nice per diems. How do you go and get them thing there when the game them are playing in Jamaica? But guess what? We have the solution to that problem. Oh yes, yes, Maverick. The Maverick have the solution. Yes. Hello, yes. Nuts for the Express. Yeah, man. I want to book 3 first-class bus tickets from the JFF account. Yes, for Mr. Michael Ricketts, Mr. Dalton Wind, and Mr. Bruce Gaynor. Yes, first class. Mr. Gaynor will be traveling from Montego Bay. Yes. Pick up Mr. Wind at Spurtree Hill near Mandeville. And pick up Mr. Ricketts for the Maypen bypass. Yes. Destination Kingston. Remember, first class. All right. I am the Maverick. Yes, I am the Maverick. Yes. You see, problem solved. Yes, problem solved. I don't know when I'm going to work on the per diem, but the problem solved.